President Draupadi Murmu has promulgated an ordinance increasing the sanction strength of Supreme Court judges from 33 to 37, excluding the Chief Justice of India. The move aims to tackle rising case pendency and speed up justice delivery. Union Minister Arjun Ram Meghwal announced the decision days after cabinet approval. A major fire broke out in the B1 coach of the Thiruvananthapuram Hazrat Nizamuddin Rajdhani Express on Sunday, triggering panic among passengers. Railway Protection Force personnel and railway staff safely evacuated all 60 passengers within 15 minutes. The incident occurred between Luni Richa and Vikramgarh with no casualties reported in the Delhi-bound premium train. Odisha vigilance officials on Sunday arrested Bhapur Rural Works Section junior engineer Keshab Subudhi in Nayagarh district for allegedly accepting a bribe of Rs 1,36,000 from a contractor. A private associate, Ashutosh Baliar Singh, was also apprehended during the trap operation. The anti-corruption crackdown was carried out following allegations of bribery and illegal demand. A poultry farmer in Odisha's Malkangiri district alleged that over 5,300 broiler chickens died after a prolonged power outage and diesel shortage prevented generator operations. The farmer claimed a nearby transformer failed and power supply could not be restored despite repeated complaints to Tata Power, resulting in heavy financial losses amid reported fuel scarcity. A notorious criminal was injured and arrested following a police encounter near Fishery Chuck in Odisha's Sambalpur district during a vehicle checking operation. Police said the chase began near Platinum Chuck in Burla on Saturday after the accused allegedly attempted to flee. Officials confirmed the injured criminal was later taken into custody for further investigation. The World Health Organization has declared the Ebola outbreak in the Democratic Republic of Congo and Uganda a global public health emergency. The Bundibugyo strain has caused 80 suspected deaths and 246 suspected infections, with cases reported in Kampala and Kinshasa. WHO urged strict monitoring, isolation measures, and coordinated international response efforts. Royal Challengers Bengaluru captain Rajat Patidar has been ruled out of the IPL 2026 clash against Punjab Kings in Dharamshala due to injury concerns. Vice captain Jitesh Sharma led the side at the toss, while RCB included Venkatesh Iyer and Suyash Sharma in the playing combination. Patidar is expected to return for the final league match.